Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, fill in the missing Roman numeral MDXCII plus MCCXXI equals to triple MD minus that missing Roman numeral. We have given here MDXCII plus MCCXXI equals to triple MD minus, suppose that missing Roman numeral will be X, so that missing Roman numeral can be given as X equals to minus X, so X will be that triple MD minus sum of this MDXCII plus MCCXXI. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now let us find this Roman numeral to numbers. For this, first find the Roman symbols for the numbers. M denotes 1000, D denotes 500, C denotes 100, L denotes 50, X denotes 10, V denotes 5, and I denotes 1. So let us find first triple MD equals to 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus D means 500. So it is 3500. Then MDXCII is M is 1000 plus D is 500. Now here in case of X and C, here the symbol of smaller number is left to the symbol of larger number. So in this case, by the rule of Roman numerals, subtract this smaller number from the larger number, that is 100 minus 10 plus double I means 1 plus 1. So it is 1500 plus 90 means 1590 plus 2 means 1592. After that, we can find here by using this symbols MCCXXI is 1000 plus triple C means 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus double X means 10 plus 10 plus I means 1. So it is 1321. 1321. Now from 1, X will be triple MD means 3500 minus this addition means 1592 minus 1321. This is from 1. Now calculating this, we get 587. So that missing Roman, this is in number and we need to convert this into Roman numeral. Now this 587 can be written as 500 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Now 500 into Roman numeral will be D plus 50 means L plus 10 plus 10 means X plus X plus 5 means V plus 1 means I plus I. So it will be D L double X V double I. Hence missing Roman numeral is D L double X V double I. From available options, option A denotes that Roman numeral.